Will be some pop-up showers and storms this afternoon into the early evening hours, but they should be pretty few and far between, and I wouldn't expect them to cause too many issues at the local airports. Of course, if one just pops up right on top of DFW Airport, that could cause some issues, but the chances of that are pretty low. But look at the heat all across the state. Abilene, San Angelo, Austin, San Antonio, Houston, all hitting 100 degrees this afternoon. We're pretty close to DFW, hitting about 98. The showers and storms will be kind of in parts of the desert southwest where they're starting to get kind of their summertime, what they call the summertime monsoonal flow. That way, a little rain in kind of the northern Rockies, some rain in Florida, maybe some rain across the far northeastern part of the country as well. Pretty warm across the central part of the country. It's 100 for a high in Bismarck this afternoon, 97 in Minneapolis. Chicago to Cincinnati, though, a little bit cooler. Remember, they were dealing with the heat a little earlier this past week. Now they've cooled down. We've just stayed hot the entire time. While they were baking in the heat, we were baking in the heat too, and then they cooled down, and we did not cool down. Welcome to summer in North Texas. 97 and 98 across Dallas to Fort Worth this afternoon. Maybe a couple locations here they're trying to hit 100 degrees. When you factor in that humidity that is out there, it will feel like at or above 100 degrees for most of you. As is typical, the humidity, the moisture a little bit higher across our eastern areas, so your heat index values out that way could approach 105 in a few locations. I do have a chance, as we talked about, for a pop-up shower storm or 2 or 3 out there, but kind of like yesterday, your coverage not very high at all. It's 10, maybe 20% across the area. Absolutely soak up every drop. If you happen to find yourself underneath a shower or storm, most of you will not, just like yesterday where there was activity out there, believe it or not. But not everybody saw rain, and that'll definitely be the case again today. So it's 10, maybe 20% coverage across the area. I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans if you have them. Just keep an eye on the sky, and if any showers or storms nearby, move those plans indoors. That is my only rain chance for the upcoming week. As you can see, temperatures climb. I got a streak of triple digits starting either tomorrow or Tuesday, lasting through the rest of the week and even into the upcoming weekend. Maybe a chance for rain toward the early part of that following week. None of those 100-degree temperatures I have on there are record temperatures, although some of them are pretty close. I do want to draw your attention to look at starting Thursday. Every single one of those records through the end of the 10-day is all from 1980. That just shows you how terrible that summer was here in North Texas. So while we will be hot the end of the week into next weekend, I mean, look at those records from 1980.